Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel, and this is continuation for Windows 10 features, and this is part 3. For part 1 and 2, please find the link in the description box. Okay, to our continuation, we move to our 6th application, which is the voice recorder. So from your search bar, just call on to voice recorder. Yes, this is an easy to use application that actually has very few tools. One of the most easiest, and it is just for recording purposes, and you have to have a microphone attached to your device. Just hit onto the record button here if you want to record, and it starts immediately. If you stop, just hit onto the button there, stop, and your recording is saved. It saves automatically, so you can check it out. Another application that comes freely with Windows 10 is the Paint 3D. So from your search, just call on to Paint 3D. This I can actually say is an advanced application on the initial Paint software we had in Windows 7. The only added advantage here is the 2D shapes and effects, and the 3D shapes effect on text or even shapes to the document you're working on using the Paint 3D, and the various color effects around here. So you can check it out and try working out with it. Another easy to use application that comes with Windows 10 is the Cortana. Cortana is a digital assistant or a virtual assistant that actually helps you peruse or helps you navigate through your computer files or web pages with ease by just talking to your computer if you have got an audio system attached to your device. Fortunately or unfortunately, for now, it's an application that has got location restriction, and there are locations that is not yet supported. If you want to call it out, just hit the start button and the C, and you'll have the Cortana pulled out. Or from your taskbar, we have this one here, like a small circle here called it Cortana. Or you can search from your just type Cortana and it will just pop out. Another feature that is supported in Windows 10 is called the Emoji Feature. The Emoji Feature is actually a very easy feature, and it helps you to insert emoji pictures or emojis when you're using your social sites, that is Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, or when you're commenting or posting. To call it out, you just hit the start button and the semicolon, and your emoji pops out. So this emoji has got added advantage, being that it gives the meaning of each and every emoji here. So if you're one person who is not yet sure of the meanings of the emojis, you can come and check around for each and every meaning of the emoji in here. So guys, another feature for the day is called the Microsoft Edge. So just from your search button, just type Edge to call it out. This is the browser that comes with Windows 10, and thus added features being that it is an improved system software from the defunct Internet Explorer. This Microsoft Edge actually has a very nice and easy to use user interface, as you can see, with the two search buttons, just like other web browsers like Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Another thing, it has added serious features which actually keeps you safe as a browser or as a user. Right from settings, you can see it has a feature known as the smart screen blocker. This one keeps you safe from all the malicious softwares or malicious programs that you may download from your internet. As you can see, it is by default active. This one will block all malicious sites and downloads from attacking your files in your computer system. Another feature it has still on security is called the tracking prevention. This helps you. Also, we have sites that keep or collect information about your browsing history, and they may use this information to attack your computer system. So this is another feature that helps you to be safe while browsing your internet. So it is advisable that you always keep it to strict, so that it auto blocks all the sites, not unless you create exemptions. If you want to create some sites not to be blocked, you can create exemptions from here. It's another easy to use software or easy to use application, and it readily comes with your Windows system. So guys, if it is your first time being in my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment below. For all other information, please check part 1 and part 2. Bye bye.